Hey guys, I'm going to be sharing with you my THINKORSWIM setup that I personally use for day trading. This setup is very simple for the most part. So what you're looking at is the setup I use. We have our main chart over here, a few studies here, as well as simple moving averages on the chart itself. We have a watch list that if you were to click the tickers, it would update across everywhere. We have news for this specific ticker. This scratch pad is just personal. Sometimes I like to write notes in here. Here's our active trader. Here is our times and sales. This is very useful, as well as the level 2 data. Both very useful things for day traders. Without further ado, let's get into this video. So before we begin, I'm going to have you guys reset your workstation. You're going to do that by looking at the top right corner where you'll see setup. Go ahead and click it and click reset workspace to default. Click OK. It should bring you to the home page. So go ahead and click trade and make sure you're under active trader. We're going to be building this setup under active trader. Although you can build it under charts, we're going to stick with the appropriate area. It doesn't matter. It really doesn't matter. We're going to begin by removing everything you see here. Just follow along with what I do. We're first going to begin by splitting the screen in half. By that I mean we're just going to go to the top right corner, right under on demand. We're going to see this hamburger thing. We're going to click it, do the 1x2. Should look like this. It's very strange, but follow my mouse. Just click here, here, and here, and here. We're also going to remove pretty much everything except for our account info on the left side. Okay guys, so now we have a blank canvas, I guess you could say. We're first going to start by linking both of these together. The way we're going to link it is simply by going to this chain icon, click red. Oops. We're going to be doing red for pretty much everything. Now if you notice, if you were to type in any ticker, it would be updated across every single link to red. So that's very useful. This is going to be our main chart, so we're going to go ahead and click chart. We're also going to go to the right. We're going to click active trader, times and sales, and we're going to go down to level 2 data. We're going to put our level 2 data lower, increase our active trader tab, and also increase our chart. Okay, once you make everything to the appropriate size, which you feel comfortable, we're going to go to the active trader, top left of the active trader right here, where it says buy market, sell market, whatever. Go ahead and click this drop down arrow right here. This is very useful. We're going to be using this a lot. If you don't have auto send, go ahead and click the gear icon and look for auto send over here. It should be somewhere here. Just add it over here. Once you do that, we're going to update our chart to look how we want it to. Click the gear icon, go to appearance. Under ticks, go ahead and check fill up. It'll basically fill up the green instead of having it be hollow. We're also going to make the background black, take the grid off. This is up to you. If you want to associate the volume bars with the appropriate colors of the buying and selling volume, you can do that. I'm not going to do that. I'm going to leave it to the preset color. Go ahead and click OK, and you get this. Okay, we're going to add a few studies now. Go ahead and click the beaker icon. We're going to add a few things. Search up RSI. Go ahead and add that, as well as MACD. Go ahead and add that. Whoops. And for the last study, we're going to add the simple moving average. Add 2 of these. For the first simple moving average, we're going to change it to green, leave it how it is except the color. Second one, we're going to turn the length into 200 so we get a strong support line, and make the color red or any color you prefer. That's that. So we have our RSI study where we will be able to see where the stock is being oversold or overbought. The red line is going to be the strong support. Once we got that, we're now going to move to the left side where we will be adding a few gadgets. Go ahead and look at the bottom left of your screen where you should see a plus symbol. Go ahead and click it and add live news. We're going to add another one. We're also going to add a watch list. Before we do anything else, we're going to link these two gadgets to red. We're going to do that by clicking the chain icon and linking it with red. Do this for both of them. Okay, great. Once you do that, we're going to edit our watch list. We're going to do that by clicking the little gear icon right next to the ask. Click customize. We're going to remove everything except for symbol, so we will know what stock we're looking at. We're going to add percent change as well as shares. We're going to have to look this one up. And volume. And volume. Once we have this, we're going to extend this out to make it the appropriate size, so it will read out all the numbers. Okay, once you do that, you could drag this down to however much you want. And now, if you were to click anything from here, it will update across all charts as well as the news. You could also manually type in a ticker. News will be updated and everything. So that's very convenient. And I'm also going to personally add the scratch pad gadget, just because I like taking notes sometimes. I'm also going to make it show from volume being greatest to least. So yeah, that's pretty much it for the setup. Very simple. You have your gadgets here, you have your main chart here with your studies, you have your active trader, you have your times and sales, and you have your level 2 data. Yeah, that's it with this simple day trading setup. I hope I was able to help you guys out, and yeah, bye.